Today I'm making a really sweet treat. Look at these Jelly Ranchers. These watermelon ones are like, they look like little jewels. We're actually going to kind of collect all these like that, and we're gonna put it into a 350-degree oven, and then they're gonna look like the Bellagio lobby. Look at how it turned out. It's so pretty. Look at this part right here. All these different colors. So pretty. I've got these, look at these gloves. It's gonna be so helpful because we're going to go ahead and take this carefully off. And then we're gonna place it on top of this bowl, just like that. I'm just gonna form it. And look at that. Turn it over. Take this bowl out. And isn't that pretty? At the Bellagio, you can see them underneath like this. Right? See the light through it, so pretty.